I want you to think back to your first 30 days in real estate. You just got your license, you're pumped, you're ready, and then you sit down at your desk and think, okay, now what? Nobody told you what to actually do on day one. And that silence, that's where most agents who lose all their momentum and a lot of experienced agents who've hit a wall end up right back here too. I'm Emily Shelton with Shelton Property Group, and I've been a top producer in the Austin metro area for over 10 years. I've built a business from the ground up. No hand holding, no guaranteed leads handed to me, just a plan, daily action, and a whole lot of figuring it out. And today I'm giving you what I wish someone had given me day one. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what your first 30 days should look like, your non-negotiable daily tasks, where your first lead should actually come from, and the mindset shift that separates agents who make it from the ones who quietly disappear. This is the roadmap nobody gives you at your first brokerage meeting. Here's the first thing I want you to hear. You're not waiting to be discovered. Your broker is not going to walk up to you with a client and say, here you go. That's not how this industry works. The agents who survive the first 30 days and go on to build real businesses are the ones who decide on day one that they are responsible for their pipeline. That shifts everything. You are a business owner. Act like it from day one. Okay. Now let's talk about daily structure. New agents waste their first 30 days doing things that feel productive. Watching training videos, designing business cards, tweaking their bios. None of that closes a deal. Here are your actual daily non-negotiables. Number one, lead generation time. Every single day. Block out a minimum of 1 to 2 hours every morning before you do anything else. This is not optional. This is your job. Number two, follow up on every single conversation you had. Talk to someone yesterday, you're following up today. A quick text, a voice note, a check-in. The money is in the follow-up, and new agents almost never do it. Number three, learn one thing about your local market every day. A new listing, a recent sell, an active neighborhood, a new community. You can't guide buyers and sellers if you don't know what's actually happening out there. All right, let's deep dive into lead generation for a brand new agent or an agent who feels stuck or is starting over in a new city or a challenging market. Start with your sphere. Every single person you know. I don't care if it feels awkward. Call them, DM them, send them a video text. Something like, hey, I just launched my real estate business and I'm building a client base. If you or anyone you know is thinking about buying or selling in the next year, I would love to be the person you call. I truly appreciate your support. That's it. It's simple, it's genuine, and it's human. Number two, open houses. Even if they're not your listings, offer to host open houses for agents on your team or at your brokerage. This puts you face to face with real buyers and sellers in the real market right now. No ad spend, no complicated funnels, just you and a motivated person in a house. Number three, social media, but done right. You don't need to post about real estate every single day. What you need to post is you. Your perspective, your personality, what you're learning, what you're seeing in the market. People hire people they know, like, and trust. Give them a reason to know you. Here's what you need to understand. Great coaching matters. And what you really need is mentorship from someone who's been there, accountability to keep you on track, and proven systems that work. You don't have to figure this out alone. But you do have to start. I've been doing this over a decade. I've hired agents, coached agents, and watched agents at every stage in their career. The ones who make it past year one all have one thing in common. They took daily, consistent action, even when they had no results yet. That's what your first 30 to 90 days really is. Here's the bottom line. Your first 30 to 90 days in real estate will either set the foundation for your entire career or they'll become the reason you quit before you ever really started. You don't need to be perfect. You need a plan. You need to show up every day and do the work, even when it feels like nothing has happened. Trust the process. Build the habits. Work your sphere. Host open houses. Show up online and follow up relentlessly. The agents who do those things in month one, they're still standing in year 5. If you're a new agent or you feel like you're basically starting over, comment the word START below, and I'll send you my first 30-day action plan completely free. It's the exact framework I'd hand out to every single agent on day one. And if you're further along in your business, but something feels off, Leads are inconsistent, income is unpredictable. You're doing all the things and still not getting traction. I want to talk to you too. Book a free 20-minute strategy call with me. The link is in the description. My name is Emily Shelton with Shelton Property Group, where we are faith, family, real estate. I'll see you on the next one.